still struggling with uncomfortable VR session on your headset, forehead pressure, or short battery life on your headset? Then today we are unboxing H4 Boost KIWI H4. So now let's check out what's inside the box. So we have a head strap and this is just for the support. So now look at the H4 Boost KIWI headset. It also has some premium padded support, and we also have some manuals like warranty guide and usual manuals. So at the back there is an easy to use adjustment dial. Just rotate it to tighten or loose the fit instantly. So this is the front part of the headset where you're gonna attach this cable to your headset, and we have this adjustment where you're gonna put the headset here. So if you enjoy this unboxing and review video, make sure to like, subscribe and follow for more VR content.